Hello everybody and welcome to Las Coloradas. This small town is mostly known for its pink salt lakes. But I was here about a month ago and at that time the lakes were not pink. I had been living in Mexico for more than a month. Today I had come to Las Coloradas, located in the north part of the Yucatan Peninsula and close to the Caribbean Sea. The pink lakes are located by the sea in the small town of Las Coloradas with a population of around 1,000 people. The pink color comes from the high salt concentration in the lakes. The salt business is important for the small town, and Mexico is the 5th largest salt exporter in the world. It's very interesting to see the saturated pink colors of the lake. I'm here now for the second time. This time I'm here to see if it's actually worth coming here. The first time I was here, the lake was not pink, but now it looks actually really pink. It's nice to see the lake, but it's made by humans, so it's not a natural lake. They have some pipes that go to and from this lake here, and the only time it's pink is when the salt concentration is 26% or more. And then sometimes when they empty the lake and take the salt, it will not be pink anymore. You used to be able to go close to the water and take pictures, but some people in the past had gone swimming, and now it's very strict as to where you cannot even go very close to the water. The town is located right in between the blue sea and the pink lakes. There are also beaches stretching for hundreds of kilometers along the Yucatan Peninsula. This place is not only known for having really nice pink lakes, but also for having incredible water. This is another place where it's really cheap to go and live. If you are looking for a cheap place to live, where you can still enjoy the Caribbean looking water, then this might be a good place for you to go. You can find places to live around here for really cheap. The beach that is connected to the town of Las Coloradas has many fishing boats, because fishing is also a profitable business for the town. And you also have the white sand beaches stretching along the landscape as far as you can see. This town, I think, is really interesting because before I came to Mexico, this is really what I pictured Mexico to be like. You know, the streets, and then you have some older buildings, and yeah, I really like the vibe here. It's really nice. The ocean is really nice, the water is clean, or the water is really colorful, and here you also have the pink lake. So I think this is a good town to go and explore. Almost all the streets in the town are sand streets, and the whole town has a very Mexican vibe to it. It must be probably around 35 degrees Celsius right now. Really hot and warm. The sun is frying. Here we have some Mexican people that I'm gonna say hi to. Hola! Hola! Las Coloradas is a very cool place to see, and I think it's totally worth going there for a day trip. If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.